Hi friends, I am Dr. Shweta, obstetrician and gynecologist. In this video, we are going to discuss tips to conceive fast in a natural way. The three most important prerequisites to achieve pregnancy are: number one, that is having a good quality egg, and then comes good and functioning fallopian tube, active and motile sperms, a receptive womb, and then having sexual intercourse during fertile days. And what are these fertile days? I'll tell you in detail. The fertile days are those days when the ovulation happens in a woman. Usually this ovulation happens 14 days before her menstruation. For suppose a lady is having 28-day cycle, her ovulation happens on her 14th day. If she is having a 30-day cycle, her ovulation happens on her 16th day. For suppose if she have 25-day cycles, her ovulation will happen on her 11th day. This ovulation day varies from individual to individual, and in a same individual also the ovulation may change every month. So not only the 14th day, it can happen 2 days prior or 2 days later. So once this egg is released from the ovary, it enters into the fallopian tube. There it will wait for 12 to 24 hours depending upon the quality of the egg. And then the sperms which enter inside the female genital tract, they are live for 48 to 72 hours and they are active as well. So the fertilization takes place in the fallopian tube, and the baby that forms in the fallopian tube will come and gets implanted inside the uterine cavity. So having sexual intercourse starting from 10th or 11th day of your menstrual cycle, at least alternate day till 17th or 18th day, increases your chances of pregnancy. And coming to the fecundability, what is this? The chances of a lady getting pregnant in one menstrual cycle is called as her fecundability. In human beings, it is around 20 to 25%. That is, 1 out of 4 or 5 couples who try for pregnancy will get pregnancy in a cycle, if all the conditions are normal. For suppose you are having regular sexual intercourse, within 6 to 8 cycles, 90 to 95% of the couples will conceive. But in some couples, even after having regular unprotected sexual intercourse for 1 year and couldn't get pregnancy, then they have to consult an infertility expert. There are some couples when the medical advice is needed at the earliest. Those are the couples in whom the female is more than 35 years of age. If the lady is having irregular menstrual cycles and polycystic ovarian disease, if the couple is facing issues in making love, and some of the couples can have medical disorders like diabetes, hypertension, thyroid and heart diseases. So if any of these problems are there, please consult the doctor prior your pregnancy itself. Or if you face issues like this, you can consult the infertility expert at the earliest. And start your prenatal medications like folic acid and follow these basic tips, and you will achieve your positive pregnancy test very soon. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and encourage us to make more and more videos.